Cream, you know what it is, man. Let me talk to him real quick, man. You know, I most definitely feel like I'm the man for the job. But I ain't gonna talk you to death, man. I'd rather show you. So let's get into it. I'm flame as a detonated bomb. So rappers try and play with the heat, but end up running home like LeBron. And I am not alarmed by the tats you got on your arm. I move wrong and I'm slamming the piece on the chest of a palm. Get it? No, well I do on a daily basis. Keep you hating, only phrases I take in is bank statements. But chasing chains before they was claiming Jay was a Mason. When Elgin Baylor was saying that Donald Sterling was racist. I feel it in my bone gristle. If I lose, had a whole hood heated like a Zimmerman acquittal. Spitters get belittled as I disassemble instrumental, serving life for murdering Mike Snare, kicking a cymbal. So keep your false bravado, I hit them hard as a Tahoe. I drop flow, they cop it like Chronic in Colorado. How you gangsta, all you throwing is shade, never a hollow. Met a million rappers, I'm still the dopest rhymer that I know.